What's going on, guys? It's your boy Fluffy Mexicanic. You know, all week all I've been doing is diagnosing. Finally, now I have some work to do. We're gonna do it on this here vehicle right there after the intro, so let's get it done. Okay, so this is another one of those. Went to AutoZone, got it scanned, da. Well, we're gonna do the throttle body. Then we got some control arms and some other stuff. I don't even remember what exactly all is on this vehicle, but we're gonna get to it right now. Now first, in swerve mode, let's get this mother in the air. Come on, do you little dance move that you do in there? You like that shit? Ha! Yeah, you post that shit? Yeah, I always do rubber every time. Oh, I know you watch my shit. That's a 3/8, bro. With an axle, man. I'm telling you. Get yourself one. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with this one. Like I have a brain fart. Maybe it's just been that long since I did controller. So check this out, y'all. Most people won't see this. We even have inspectors come sometimes and they don't see that the bushing is torn. But we know and we can see this slight little crack. Check this out. Y'all see that separation? Yeah. Okay, now do it the other way. Okay, look. You gotta know what to look for and how to look for it. Yeah, that's how I should have done the other side first. Get the ball joint out and then drop it down. Got that same issue going on right there. Then my advisor, you know, great advisor. I'm too sexy for my shirt. It hurts. JT, check it out. Look what I'm gonna do, bro. I know this makes you cringe, dog. See, how I do it is quick thinking. So I spin it, and then I spin. But if I spin and it stops, I know it's cross threaded. As you know, when you do stuff all day, every day, you know, I used to be in the lube rack for 2.5 years. I kept myself there, and that's all I did was tire rotation, oil change. Holy crap, I clapped and all this dust came off. These control arms are... But we still got a throttle body. Since this is extended warranty, we are doing mass airflow as well, because we don't want this vehicle to come back for maybe a possible mass airflow fault. So we're taking care of 2 birds with 1 stone, and then we're gonna do a fuel injection service on this. So just like the short from yesterday, it's the same thing here too. You know, it's funny because all these ignorant people, think I stopped for tacos and sandwiches or something. What? Nah, boy, I stopped for this. Woo. Pull up, pull up, oh, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Guys, yesterday I made a mistake. Took that fuel line off, put the EFI machine on, and we got stuck. Well, this is a quick disconnect. The other one was a different style for our machine. So I have this from another vehicle that I did a motor on. It's only from the junkyard motor. So I'm gonna use this. That way I don't get stuck. Guys, I have ran out of luck. This throttle body is now giving me issues, and now I gotta pat my head, pat my belly, jump around, dance in a circle, and get this thing to relearn. It's a process. No point in showing all that. So I'll get back to y'all when I get it corrected. Well, guys, I had to jump through some hoops. This guy right here helped me out. I actually trained him, but he's had this issue several times. This was my first time actually having this issue, so I had to learn from my helper. Hey, but you learn something new every day, right? So we got this thing running. It's doing the fuel injection service right now. After that, I'm going to lunch. As far as this video is concerned, that's it, guys. Deuce.